Learning Mandarin could be a long-term journey, but you could also boost up your level in a short period, especially for beginners. In this video, I will give you 25 Chinese most common phrases which are a must-know for your daily conversation and also for HSK1 test. Let's start it. 你好 literally means you good. Probably is the first phrases for most Chinese learner, and it's very common to greet people in Chinese. So it's a good wish to the people you greet.
你好，你好，陈佳姐你好，你好。
谢谢 Thank you. Again, a very common phrase for appreciation and thankful could be used in every circumstances. 不客气 You're welcome. A common answer to 谢谢 together will be 谢谢不客气。
谢谢，不客气。
谢谢你啊，周先生。
不客气。
谢谢。
不客气。
对不起 Sorry. Common apologize could be used in many circumstances. 没关系 It's okay. One of the common answer to 对不起 So you will be like 对不起没关系
对不起，对不起，对不起，高射炮。
没关系。
请 Please. It's very common to use when you want to be polite. It could be any verb behind it. For example, 请问 May I ask? 请问现在几点了 May I ask what time is it now? 请看 Please have a look.
请问
喂 Hello. Isn't hello 你好 You just said it. Well, yes, but when we talk in the telephone, we will say 喂 instead of 你好
喂，
喂，
But remember, it is the second tone, the rising tone. Don't use the fourth tone, the falling tone. It will become 喂 That's very rude.
喂，
知道 know 不知道 don't know I know 我知道怎么走 I know how to get there 我知道你的生日 I know your birthday But if you want to express you don't know then just add a 不 in front of 知道 That's 不知道我不知道你会来 I didn't know you would come
知道吗？不知道，不知道。
什么 What? This is very common when you want to ask something. For example, 这是什么 What is this? 什么时间 What's the time? 什么地方 What place?
什么意思啊？
什么？
是的 Yes. 不是 No. 是的 You probably will use it every day. Like 你是中国人吗 Are you Chinese? 是的 Yes, I am. Or just add 不 in front to express the negative sense. 不是 Like 你是美国人吗 Are you American? 不是 No, I'm not. 不好意思 Excuse me. In fact, 不好意思 has several meanings depending on the context. For example, 不好意思请问这里是餐馆吗 Excuse me, is here a restaurant? Or 你下午有空吗 Are you free this afternoon? 不好意思我要上班 I'm sorry, I need to work. Or 别不好意思找我帮忙 Don't be hesitate to ask me for help.
不好意思。
不好意思，
在哪里 Where is it? You will use this a lot for asking a location. For example, 机场在哪里 Where is the airport? 我的手机在哪里 Where is my mobile? 你现在在哪里 Where are you now?
你在哪里啊？
这个时候你在哪里？你在哪里？
这里 Here. 那里 There. 苹果在这里 Apple is here. 西瓜在 那里 Watermelon is there. So normally, when something in front of you and you can reach out without moving your feet is 这里 Otherwise is 那里有 have, there is 没有 don't have, there isn't. For example, 你有弟弟吗 Do you have a younger brother? 没有我有妹妹 I don't, but I have a younger sister. 没问题 No problem. You could use this phrase to answer something for sure, especially to answer someone asks for help. Like, Jerry, 你能带我去图书馆吗 Jerry, could you take me to the library? 没问题 No problem.
没问题。
多少钱 How much does it cost? You probably will use it on every time when you're buying things. 这件衣服多少钱 How much is the cloth? 火车票多少钱 How much is the train ticket? 好 Good. From 你好 we know 好 means good. So when it combines some verb, it will be good to something. For example, 好吃 good to eat means delicious. 好看 good to look means beautiful. 好喝 good to drink means drink tasty. However, when you combine with the adjectives, 好 could means very. For example, 好累 very tired. 好饿 very hungry. 请坐 please be seated. Or please have a seat. Normally when you are a host and you invite somebody to have a seat. 请坐
哎，请坐，四太太，请坐，请坐。
请坐。
很高兴认识你 Nice to meet you. Very common after someone introduced him or herself. Like 你好，我叫 Jerry. Hello, I'm Jerry. 你好，很高兴认识你。Hello, nice to meet you.
很高兴认识你，很高兴认识你们。
我想要 I want to have. 我想要一台新电脑 I want to have a new computer. Or add a 不 make it in a negative sense. For example, 我不想要这份工作 I don't want this job. 可以 can It is possible. 不可以 cannot It is not allowed. It is very common when you want to give or ask for permission or show the ability to do something. For example, 可以让我试一下吗 Is it possible to let me try it? 我可以画画 I can draw.
不可以，
我可以碰吗？
可以，
我喜欢 I like. 我喜欢吃辣的 I like spicy food. 我不喜欢运动 I don't like doing exercise.
我喜欢
请等一下 Please wait a moment. Jerry, 帮我拿杯水过来 Jerry, please bring me water. 请等一下 Please wait a moment. 请再说一遍 Please say it again. You will use it when you don't understand or if you want the speaker to repeat it. 请再说一遍 Please say it again. 再见 Goodbye. But 再 means again. 见 means to see. So literally 再见 it means see you again.
再见了。再见。
再见啊。
再见。
再见。
So that's all for today. I believe this could add value to your Mandarin learning journey. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you would like to learn more about Chinese conversation, please click this video. And I will see you in next video.